Welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to be showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of the 420D M Sport Gran Coupe that we have here for you. Presented in the mineral grey. Alongside that, of course, we fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. We've also added the 19-inch 403M alloy wheels that we've had fully refurbished in the gloss black, and all the way around you'll find that they have got the premium mixed run flat tyres on. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2015 15 plate. Does also have the Angel and Xenon headlamps. Showing you around the exterior of the car, you should be able to see that it is in very nice condition all the way through. And of course down the side you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals, and a very nice optional extra in the form of the sun protection glazing. And of course you should already be able to see that the vehicle comes with the very nice Oyster Dakota leather, which we'll go on and take a quick glance at now. So in the front you do get the electric lumbar option alongside the heated seat function as well. As you can see they're all in very nice condition and does look very nice set against the exterior colour as well. And of course we've got the contrasting dark M Sport headlining. It's a 6-speed manual vehicle, and of course we'll take a closer look at the interior's features very shortly. In the rear, Isofix 3-seat rear bench, centre folding armrest, and again showing you off that lovely darker M Sport headlining. Again, just showing you off these freshly refurbished alloys. And at the back of the car we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser, as you can see there. And of course, being the Gran Coupe, we get that fantastic automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals the very large boot space, and you can make this even larger thanks to the fact you can remove both the top and lower parcel shelf alongside split folding seats. Moving around to the other side of the car, again we can show you off this mineral grey. Really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, including those very eye-catching alloys. And I'll move swiftly on into the car, where again I'm just going to show you off a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. So as soon as we're sat inside, we're greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen, and again I'm just going to run you through a couple of the features and functions of that. However, down here we find our dual climate controls along with our switches for the heated seats. As you can see there is the navigation function. We've also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including music collection, USB, AUX, and of course the all-important Bluetooth audio to keep you connected. Heading back to the main menu, we'll go ahead and check out the vehicle service status and service requirements for the car. This vehicle's covered just over 88,000 miles. However, hopefully throughout this video you've been able to see it is in very good condition inside and out. In terms of the service history, you'll be able to see there that we've got very good BMW service history, starting at the 20,000 mark, coming up to the most recent visit to BMW was at 71583, and that was for a major service including all of the filters. And we are going to be shortly carrying out a service of our own in-house, which will of course we will provide a service invoice for the car as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've been able to enjoy it and found it useful. For any further information, remember that if you take a look down into the description, you'll be able to find a link to our website alongside direct contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car. Once again, thank you very much guys, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care, thank you and goodbye.